Saving money on a new kitchen renovation. If you're thinking of having a new kitchen installed, you're probably already reeling at the potential expense. How much does a new kitchen cost? A budget kitchen with a small size of 8 units can cost between £900 and £1,400. If you swap the budget fittings for luxury, however, you'll be looking at costs of between £3,000 and £4,000. Mid-range kitchens of medium size, 12 units, come in at £3,500 to £4,500, while the luxury option for this size equates to £4,500 to £6,500. Looking at a large kitchen of 16 units, the budget price will be somewhere between £2,100 and £2,500. The mid-range is between £5,500 and £7,000, while the luxury price will be between £7,500 and £10,000. What affects the cost of a new kitchen? The size of the kitchen, the number and quality of kitchen units, your choice of worktop, the worktop length and design, lighting, appliances, kitchen fitting costs, choice of flooring and underfloor heating, electrical work, plumbing work, tiling, whether you need a gas engineer to fit a gas line for your cooker, plastering, painting and decorating, removing your old kitchen units and disposing of any rubbish from the renovation. How can I save money on a new kitchen? Comparing quotes is a great way to potentially reduce the cost of your kitchen refit. Household Quotes can help you get quotes from multiple kitchen fitters near you. Set a budget before you even start looking. This means you don't have the chance to fall in love with expensive gadgets or costly cabinets. Many designers offer a freebie service where they'll come and measure your kitchen and draw you up a design. Remove your old kitchen yourself. Sell your old units. Try not to move the plumbing. Consider X-display units and fitments. Don't scrimp on rewiring and installation. Research and compare cupboards and worktops. Research appliances. Avoid fancy accessories. Use a local kitchen fitter. How do I find and hire a professional kitchen fitter? Finding the right kitchen fitter can be challenging. At Household Quotes, we can connect you to kitchen fitters in your area. Have your friends, family, or neighbours had work done recently in their kitchen? Asking for their contractor's details can be a great way of securing the name of someone reputable and trustworthy. We always suggest you get hold of a written quote as soon as possible. Finally, checking that your trader has the appropriate insurance to cover themselves and you while working is essential.